Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool IT Help. In this video tutorial session, we are going to install Python on Windows 11. Let's begin. We are going to perform these steps, right? I have noted down all those here. See this. First, we will see how to download and install Python. After that, we will see how to verify Python is installed successfully. After that, we will see how to run a Python command from the Python console. After that, we will see how we can run the commands from the command prompts as well. Then we will see how to execute the commands from idle IDE, the default IDE provided by the Python installer. Right here, we will create a Python program file and then we will run it through the IDE and from the command prompt. So we will see all the stuff here. Let's start. First of all, open your favorite browser. Go to the search box and type Python download. Press enter. And then you will see some results. Simply click on the first one, download Python, and the python.org is the website. Now here you will be landed on this page when you see the latest version of the Windows. At the time of recording of this video, the Python version is 3.13. Okay, when you scroll down, you will see other releases as well. If you want to install the older version of the Python, you can come to this section and you can download as per your requirement. Okay, when you scroll down, you will see other stuff. Okay, so we don't need the rest of the things, just move up. Okay, now click on the very latest one, which is Python 3.13, and when you click on that link, you will come on this page. This is the download page for the latest. And when you come under the section files, here you will find all kind of installer. Like here we have the Windows 64-bit and we have 32-bit installer as well. So choose as per your Windows architecture. Right now I'm going to select 64-bit because my Windows is 64-bit, and after clicking you can see the downloading. So we have to wait for the complete download of this installer. After that we will proceed. So friends, the downloading is done. Now you can simply click on this exe installer and soon you will see the very first setup window. We are going to install the Python 3.13 64-bit version, and before going to proceed, please check these boxes, right, and click next. Then Windows will show you the box, that confirmation box. Simply press yes, and you will find that installation is in progress. Wait for a few seconds, and this is the very straightforward small process, and this will not take much time. Okay, finally you will get this messages, setup was successful, and now you have the second option, disable path length limit. So simply click on it once and then you will get a pop-up box. Click yes and it's done. And now you can finally close this box by pressing this close button. That's done. So friends, we have successfully performed the step one. Now we will see the verification of the Python installation. This is very simple and straightforward. Simply go to the search and type cmd, or you can simply look for the Python, right? So here when you see, you will find that Python 3.12, this is Python console, and the ideally the ID which is default comes with the Python installation. So first we will open the Python console, click on it, and this way Python console will be launched on your screen. And now here you can simply type the commands and execute. So we will see how to run the Python command from the Python console. This is the third step. Simply type any Python. Let's do some expression 1 plus 3 4, and now we will simply type print statement here, try to print something. And now we'll press enter and you will see that is printed here. So this Python is working properly under the Python console. Okay friends, so another way you can run your commands from the command prompt as well. So we will see how we can do it, and this is the step number 4. Let's do it. Okay, now go to the search and type CMD, and your CMD will be opened. And now at this place simply type Python, Python, press enter, and your Python console will be activated here. So you can perform the same activity here. You can write some expression, you can write some commands and execute it flawlessly. Let's try to print something as we have printed on the Python console. Let's type something here, some text. Now let's press enter and see this. It's working properly. So we have seen that how we can run the Python commands from the command prompt as well. Okay, now let's move to the next point. The point number is 5 here. We will see how we can run the commands from the idle IDE, which comes default by the Python installation. Let's open. So go to the search box again and just type Python and you will see that option here. Click on it and then that IDE will be opened here. See this. This is the IDE. Okay. So if you want to increase the font size, simply go to the options, click configure IDE, and here you have settings. Okay, font setting, highlights, key, window, and shell, and a lot of things here. So we can simply select the font type and we can increase the size of the font. Simply click apply and your font size will be set. Okay, let's perform some command execution. So here we go. And now again we will try to print something. Let's type some inside this print statement. Welcome back. Okay, just enter and you can see printed on the console. It's properly working here as well. Okay friends, so we have seen the IDE. Now we will see how we can create a program file from this IDE and how we can run it. Also we will see how we can run it from the command prompt as well. Let's do it. Simply go to the file, click new file, and here you have the file option. You can simply save this file somewhere on your drive. So I'm going to save it on my desktop in a test folder. This is my test folder and I will give this file a name like test, and you can see the default extension will be .py and the file is saved. Okay, now you can simply type some commands, or you can type a program, a Python program here, and then we will see the execution. Okay, here we go. So I'm putting 2 print statement on this file. Okay, the second statement is going to be, this is Python ... That's it, and I have just saved this file. Okay, now we are ready to run it. So if you want to run the same file inside that editor, so simply go to the run and you can simply press F5 and then you will see the execution on the primary window of this IDE. See this, you got a message like this. Okay, now if you want to run any Python file, so from the command prompt we can do it as well. Let's see how we can run the Python file from the command prompt. Simply open the command prompt and locate your file. So this is my test.py file, and now what I have to do, I have to get the path of this. So I got it. Now come to the command prompt, type python space and then the path to the file name. Make sure you don't have any space between the folder name, okay? And your path must be consistent, and when you press enter you will see the results, and this Python file executed successfully on the command prompt. So friends, we have seen the downloading and installation of the Python. After that, we have seen how to run it from the command prompt. Then we have seen how to run the commands from the Python console, command prompt, and from the idle IDE. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to learn more. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.